How we do Nick, NK Active. So here is a quick video on how you can tape your own foot to help you with your plantar fasciitis. So we have rigid zinc oxide tape. So what we're going to do is start from the base of the big toe, wrap it round the foot, and then try and get to the base of the little toe. Then rub it in, and then repeat, just overlapping the inside slightly more. And then rubbing it in. So now we've got a strip about 7 centimeters long. And what we're going to do is we want to try and roll the front of the foot in. So start just behind the big toe joint, anchor it down, let your foot nice and relaxed, and then just pull round. Then repeat this again, overlapping the tape around about 50%, pull round. And now for the other last 3 strips, we actually go from the outside. So overlap by about 50%. So now we're pulling it round. So this just helps offer a bit of compression around the fat pad also, which can help just reduce some of the pain. And it is easier if you pre-prepare all of your strips. Like so. Good. Now, last strip is basically round the edge of the foot. The reason for this one is just so then when you're taking your socks on and off, is that you don't aggravate, you don't sort of pull any of the tape off. You can see I just made mine slightly long there. And there we have it. Rub everything in. You can, if you want, stick an extra bit over the top just to stop these edges catching, but it tends to be okay. And then you stand up, and I just feel like your foot is now being nice and supported, so this heel feels it's nice and tight and secure. Again, if you want to try another little piece, on the front of the foot here, you can just put a strap around the top level, because I sort of got hobbit looking feet. If I'm gonna put this, then rip my hairs off and it becomes quite painful. If you find that you've just got to be careful if you've got any allergies to zinc oxide, or if you get any irritations. If you've got an allergy, obviously don't use it, but if you're nervous about any skin irritations, you can use something called Hyperfix or MeFix as an underlay surface first, but I tend to find it sticks better directly to skin. The top tip is do not moisturise your foot. If you moisturise your foot, this tape will not stick, and change it every couple of days. And if you need to know where you can get some tape from, we can obviously help supply you with that. Any questions, queries, just let us know. But there's a quick video on how to self-tape for plantar fasciitis.